269 people boarded a plane in New York. None of them landed. On September 1st, 1983, Korean Airlines Flight 007 drifted off course over Soviet airspace due to a simple navigation error. A Soviet fighter jet fired 2 missiles into the dark sky above the Sea of Japan. The plane did not fall immediately. It flew for 12 more minutes, descending slowly. Passengers almost certainly knew something was wrong. What happened next is where the story turns. Soviet Navy divers secretly pulled the black boxes from the ocean floor. The flight recorders proved the plane was never a spy mission, just a tragic mistake. So the Soviet government buried that evidence for 9 years. Families were told their loved ones died because the aircraft was on an intelligence operation. The Soviets knew that was a lie from the moment they pressed play on those recordings. Russia quietly handed the boxes to investigators in 1992. 9 years of grief, built on evidence they already had. Stay in the creep loop. Follow for the next case file.